Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to trim or cut your videos using VLC Media Player. So let's go ahead and open this video in VLC. Next we have to navigate to View and then activate Advanced Controls. And now here below you'll notice that it enables some extra buttons above the play pause area, including this red record button. So what we have to do next is take the time cursor of this video, find the point in time where you want to start trimming, and usually allow 1-2 seconds of lag, because this is how long it may take for VLC to actually start capturing the footage. So let's say if I want to start trimming from around 11-12 seconds, I allow it 1-2 seconds extra, because that's how long it may take for VLC to start processing it. Then I click on record and hit play at the same time. Okay, now our video is being trimmed, and next we just have to click on the record button again where we want to finish trimming, let's say here. Okay, and that's it. Now if I open the folders again, navigate to videos, this is the default output folder for VLC, and this is our trimmed version. Now if I double click and open this video, this, as you can see, is the short version of the video that we just trimmed. And that's it, guys. This is how you cut or trim videos in VLC Media Player. I hope this was useful. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial.